In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to click on connections, tap on more connection settings and click on printing. After that, you can tap on default print service right away and wait for your device to connect. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on display switcher, click on the back button and tap on download plugin. Now install the best print service for you and go back to the same settings. Now just click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!